Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. Consider the differential equation dx by dt is equal to 10 minus 0.2x with initial condition x of 0 is equal to 1. Find the response x of t for t greater than 0. Simply we are going to calculate x of t for this one. So it is better to use Laplace transform to calculate this. So first step is take Laplace transform on both sides. Okay, take Laplace transform on both sides, and dx by dt Laplace transform is s into x of s with initial condition as x of 0, that is equal to 10 is a constant Laplace transform is 10 by s. Okay, and minus 0.2 into x Laplace transform is x of s. Take x of s terms one side and all other terms on the other side. So you will get it as x of s. If you are taking common, you will get it as s plus 0.2s, and this is 10 by s plus x of 0, and x of 0 is given, so you can write it as 10 by s plus 1. So this can be written as, okay, x of s is x of s into s plus 0.2 is equal to 10 plus s divided by s. So x of s can be written as s plus 10 divided by s into s plus 0.2. So for this one, this is s into s plus 10 by s into, okay, you may get confused, so I am writing it as s into s plus 0.2. So you have to take partial fractions and you have to get the x of s, then you have to take inverse Laplace transform to get the x of t. So from this one, so x of s can be written as, by taking partial fractions, you can write it as a by s plus b by s plus 0.2, and for a and b you can write it as whatever you are going with. Just simply you can write it as whatever this is, a into s plus 0.2 plus bs is equal to s plus 10. All s terms should be equated and all constants must be equated. So this is a plus b into s plus, okay, 0.2a is equal to s plus 10. So first constant terms equate. So 0.2a is equal to 10 and a will become 10 by 0.2. 10 by 0.2 is nothing but a is 50. Okay, 10 by 0.2 you will get 10 by 0.2 is 50. Next, a plus b is equal to a plus b, s terms if you equate, this is 1 into s, whereas it is a plus b into s. So a plus b is equal to 1, then a value is known, so b is nothing but 1 minus a. 1 minus a is a 50, 1 minus 50 is minus 49. So you can write x of s is equal to a by 50 by s plus, okay, minus 49 divided by s plus 0.2. This is what the x of s equation after taking Laplace transform on both sides for the given dx by dt is equal to 10 minus 0.2x. Then take inverse Laplace transform. Take inverse Laplace transform for this one. Okay, so if you take inverse Laplace transform, this is x of t, it will become x of t is equal to 50 by s is 50 constant, and this is minus 49 is coefficient, so it won't change. Minus 49 into 1 by s plus a. 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. So this is e power minus a means 0.2t. So the equation for the x of t is 50 minus 49 times of e power minus 0.2t, that is the answer is C. C value is 50 minus 49 into e power minus 0.2t. So the right answer is C. Thank you.